my beautiful friends out there, welcome back to my channel Real Ria. And as you have all read in the title, I am going to be sharing my top 10 products under 200 bucks. Now I did a similar video last time wherein I shared 10 products under 100 bucks, but this time I have upgraded my budget a little bit, and today I'm here with my top 10 products which are under 200 bucks. So these are products that I use on a daily basis and I really love them. And what's more, they are all under 200 bucks. That means they are super cheap, so you can try them out for yourself. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe my video. So let's get to the video. So to begin with, I am going to be sharing my favorite moisturizer with you guys. Now this is from Biotic. This is their Morning Nectar moisturizer. Now this comes in two versions. One is 120 ml version, one is 190 ml version. The version that I have with me is 190 ml version, but this is above 200 bucks. But if you go for the 120 ml version, that comes under 200 bucks. And this is such a flawless moisturizer, I tell you. It even says visibly flawless skin moisturizer, and I just love this moisturizer. I have oily skin which tends to be a little sensitive. It works for me well. It works for people with normal skin very well. It works for people even with dry skin. So this is, I think, it's for all skin types, and I just love this moisturizer. Now one thing about this moisturizer is, of course, because now there's so much humidity around, I use very little quantity of this moisturizer, but when it's in the winter seasons, I do use a good amount of moisturizer. And you can use this on your body also. Now I know it sounds a little ajeeb because it's a moisturizer which has to be applied to the face, but I also sometimes apply it to my body to have that sweet and supple skin, you know. So moving on to the next product, I have another moisturizer for you people, and this is by the famous brand. I would say I call this a famous brand because we all have grown up with it. This is actually by Pond's. This is their lightweight moisturizer, and it comes at 120 rupees. So yeah, this is such a perfect moisturizer. This is very lightweight. This contains vitamin E plus glycerine, which is, I think, great for the skin. Now let me tell you a little story about this moisturizer. I actually went to the store to buy the Pond's lightweight gel, and instead I picked this up without even noticing that it is written light moisturizer and not light gel. And that was a mistake done by on my part, I would say. And when I came home, I was so sad that, oh my god, I've bought the moisturizer and I wanted to have the gel, because you know, as I have repeatedly told, that I have oily skin which tends to get a little more oilier. So I was like, oh my god, I was so apprehensive about using this product. But let me tell you guys, this is such a perfect moisturizer during this humid season, during the summer season. This is very lightweight, and this has worked wonders to my skin. My skin is visibly, it visibly feels, you know, soft when I use this. And I even use this as a night cream sometimes. So you know, when I don't feel like using my night cream, I just apply this and I'm good to go. Moving on to the third product, here I have Blossom Coach's Under Eye Gel. Now I am someone who has a lot of dark circles, and this dark circle problem actually arose, I think, one and a half years back. I never used to have dark circles, but recently in this one and a half years, I started getting dark circles. I don't know why, because I do sleep around 8 hours and I kind of eat healthy and not healthy, you can say, but I don't know, whatever is the reason, but I have developed dark circles and I wanted something to do something about it. And I think this product came as handy. But though I have felt a little bit, you know, lightening of my dark circles, but it has not done a great thing. I would not lie to you people, but if you want to buy an under eye cream, and if you are having huge dark circles, means it's very dark, please don't go for this cream, because this cream does work okayish for people who has, you know, little dark circles. I mean, lighter dark circles. It's not that dark, you know. So if you have that kind of dark circles, go for this cream. But if you don't have light dark circles, you have darker dark circles, please don't go for this cream. Now moving on to the next product that I have with me is actually by Nivea. It is this is a roll-on deodorant for your underarms, and this is such a good product. I literally swear by this product. This is such a perfect product, and you can see how much I have used this also. I've literally finished this almost, and I need to restock it very soon. And this I think this is my third or fourth bottle. I even don't remember which number of bottle this is, but this is such a perfect product if you are someone who has a lot of body odor, even if you are someone who does not have any body odor. What it does is that it keeps your odor at bay. So it does not function as a deodorant, normal deodorant that we use, that it will give you, it will give you that fresh smell. Of course, it does not do something like that, but what it does is that it keeps the odor at bay, I think, which is something which is really great. Now let's move on to my favorite part, and that are fragrances. So here I have basically 2 fragrances with me. Now let us start by this. This is actually Engage deodorant. This is their flavor Drizzle. So this is this grey color bottle that is there, and this is my absolute favorite. There are a lot of other colors like pink, then there's yellow, then there's blue. But whenever I go to the shop, I always pick this grey bottle only, and I don't know why, but I just love the smell. This smells so good. Oh my god, I just love this. Moving on to the another freshness product is actually, this is again by Engage. This is the pocket perfume. So this is in the flavor Sweet Blossom. Now this also has 2 other variants, I guess. Pink one and a green one, but I like this purple one, and this is again a super smelling product. Now the next product that I'm going to be talking about is a micellar water, and this is actually Garnier's micellar water. This is the pink variant that I have with me. This is such a gentle product. Now this claims to remove your makeup, but if you're someone who applies a lot of makeup, I doubt that this will help, because I found this as something, when I first brought this, I was very enthusiastic that, oh my god, it will remove my makeup and all sort of stuffs. But it does the work of removing the makeup, but not that much. I'm not really satisfied with this product removing the makeup part, but other than that, removing the dirt and removing that little specks of makeup that you have here and there after you cleanse your face, I think this product does the wonderful job, because this is actually something which removes all the dirt. Sometimes I do not like to use the cleansers, because cleansers feel to be a little heavy, the cream cleansers basically. Then what I do, I just wipe my face with this micellar water, and I just really love this micellar water. So it is great for someone who wants to remove little makeup, and for someone who wants to have a clean face before going to bed, then go for this one. Now the next product that I have with me is actually a face wash. This is the Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. This is the normal version, I think, because you have those morning foaming face washes also in the pink color, yellow color, but this is the normal one and the most gentle one of the lot. And this is such a good face wash. Now this is something, this was there in the market for a long time, but I never really tried this version. I tried those pink and yellow ones, which are like, it looks so fancy and it looks so cute. I tried those ones, but I never ever have tried this normal version, and now I'm using it, I think over 2.5 weeks it's over that I am using this, and look at it, it has just come down from here to here. It requires such a less little quantity. You just require a little quantity of this face wash to actually cleanse your face thoroughly, and I'm doing exactly that. It does not require a lot of product on the skin. A little product goes a long way. A little product does a lot of job, and I think this little bottle, this is not little, I think this is 150 ml bottle, and I think it's going to last me for a really long time. So if you're out there, someone who has little oily skin or normal skin, you can definitely try this product. I'm not sure about whether you can use this on dry skin, but if you have dry skin and if you have used this, please comment in the comment section below that what are your experience of using this product. Now, moving on to the next product that I have is actually a scrub. This is Everyuth's Walnut Scrub. Now, this is something that has a lot of large particles. Like the scrubbing particles are really big, and I do not personally like to use it on my face. So what I do is that this is cheap and this goes a long way. I use it all over my body to scrub my body. And this is such a gentle exfoliating body scrub for your body. Now, this is a little harsh for the skin, but I think this is perfect for your body. But of course, if you are someone who has normal or dry skin, you can definitely use it on your face, no problem. Go ahead, because Everyuth is a trusted brand. But because I do have sensitive skin and a little oily version of the skin that I have, so I don't take the chances of using this on my skin because I feel it's a little harsh for my skin, so I use it all over my body. But of course, if you have normal to dry skin, you can definitely go and use it on your face, no problem. And I've saved the best for the last, and this is actually a body wash. This is the Fiamma shower gel in the flavor lemongrass and jojoba. Please don't mind the packaging. I have used this product so much that I think I've literally scratched it, so please don't mind me. And what to tell you about this product, guys, I think, which number of bottle is this? I don't even remember. I've used so many bottles of this flavor that I have literally forgotten how many I have used, because I think this is one of my most favorite body washes. And the best part of this body wash is that after you wash your body with it, the smell, it remains for so long. Now, I have used other body washes also which were pretty good, were pretty gentle, pretty decent, but then the smell, they used to vanish after a little, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the smell used to vanish. I think not even 10 or 15 minutes, less than that. As soon as I used to step out of the bathroom, I think within 5 minutes the smell used to say me bye bye and go. But with this product, that's not the case, because this product is such a beautiful product, and what I love the most is that the smell stays with me for so long. So yeah, these were all the products that were under 200 bucks. Now, please do use these products, and if any one of you out there have used these products, do comment in the comment section below what are your experiences about using any one of these products. But if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and share my video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment below. So do it, because it's free.